Welcome to our Philippine American Dreams.
There it is. There.
Okay, we'll open it up.
Okay. There you go.
See if all the cards are in there and packing and all that.
That. Yep. This battery.
What'd you do?
This.
This is open too. Okay. Okay, so let's see. We got a manual. We have
See something else. That's the camera.
Alright, so here it is. Picture of the box. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. It's Wi-Fi, HDMI. Okay, so that's that. What was inside it was this manual,
Yeah.
this battery,
Battery. Looks like it's better than the other camera.
a strap, a battery charger,
Black. The other one's gray.
this plug goes with the battery charger. Okay, and then we get this, the actual camera.
Can't wait to see it. Dun dun!
I don't know. There it is. G7X. There's the top.
A little bit inside it's
Whatever.
red. Right?
I need a cleaning cloth for this.
That you film like that.
You can film yourself and see what's going on. Put it on a tripod.
Yeah.
And then this is if you're filming like this. Okay,
Here's the camera.
there's the battery thing, and then we have to get a chip. So this is it.
Right in the box.
Okay. What else we got with this
I'm trying to
was a
get
kit.
it.
Got a strap. Got a pocket for the charger. And for the camera. It's got a little side thing. It's okay. There we go. What else do we get? We got a starter kit. Cleaning cloth, screen protector, spray, a little tripod in here. Huh. Some kind of a tripod.
It's gonna be crazy if you get them.
Oh, it's leaking.
Leaking?
Yes, it is leaking. The spray bottle's leaking inside the sealed container. It's strange. Q-tips.
It's cute. Yeah, it's cute. You have a tripod.
Okay, leave this here. Cleaning kit.
How that little
Look at this little mini tripod.
that stands up good. How small
Talking
is
about portable, huh?
How small is this?
That's the smallest I've ever seen. Huh? But it's something. Yeah, I guess you go on vacation, you need a little tripod. You forgot your other one. Put that there.
If I make this.
So this was leaking a little bit. There's a cleaning cloth.
Only that.
And I don't know what this is, but do you know what this is?
I nothing. Look like a paper.
Little ruler, 6-inch by
Ruler.
12-inch millimeters. Okay, don't touch that; it's wet.
Here's the pack.
So that's strange. This here is like for air. Oh, here's another tripod. Another tripod.
Small.
Oh, it's got extensions on it. So, plastic over here. This is aluminum. But you can see this extends.
What? In case if you.
Look at that. Like
So
this.
it'd be like full size.
So,
Not this one.
Okay. The way you do it is you unsnap each one of these. Last one. Do the next one. Okay, put it on the table. There you go. We have to lock them in place. But you get the gist of it. It's-
I'm gonna yuck them.
no, please don't.
How about we yuck?
I'm gonna put it back. Oh, just look out.
Can you try? How small is that? Smaller.
yep, look like small, but
It's bigger
smaller.
it's bigger than
And
this.
this comes up too.
Yeah.
No, it's bigger than this. Let's do the
Is
mesh.
it bigger?
Okay, put it down back to the regular size.
We got two cards, 16. It said 32 on one of them. I thought 32,
Yeah.
but 2 16s. What's this? A pen.
Pen. So I can write with it. This.
And we got. This looks like they hold a case for memory cards. You know what I'm saying? We put 6 memory cards in here.
Such memory.
And
That's
then this. Oh, this is a USB reader.
comes with two.
That's it. Nice little kit.
That's it for the
It also
unboxing.
comes with cards.
Okay, after the unboxing, this is what we got. We got our Canon G7X. We've got the small little tripod, battery charger, battery. It's a carry string. This is a memory holder. This is a USB. This is a handle for the bag. We got two 16 gigabytes, total of 32. We got a bag which you can put the camera and some of your accessories in it. Got this bigger tripod. The bigger tripod, which has its own little case, and it's actually goes pretty high. You can extend it. And then there's the manual. And you got a cleaning kit. Cleaning rags, Q-tips, some solution, blow air with that. And I'm not sure what this is for. There it is, the next Canon G7X PowerShot. Gets good reviews. It's still a pretty expensive camera. But we'll see how it works out. And now here's the camera. Close up. Top view. The display. So show how it works. Flip up from the bottom. Okay, so you can angle it like that, or you put it all the way up. There we go. Now you can turn it around so I can see the front. Yep, and there it is. So you can put that on a tripod and film yourself when you're doing a blog. Pretty nice. Nice feature. And then there's another angle. Turn it around. Close it. And extend it out. Yeah, like that. So I guess when you're filming at an angle, you can angle the display towards you so you see it straight on. Nice feature.
Yeah.
And next up, we're going to charge the battery and we'll power it on. Okay, so we're going to charge this. We get the charging case. It has a red light for charge and it looks like a green light for full. Canon battery charger. Here's the battery. It's a Canon battery also. It'd be nice if we had a spare battery, but we didn't come with the kit. So you put it right in there like that. Stays in. This is the cord. Plug it in right here. And you plug it into an outlet and should be good to go in a couple hours.
There you go, the tripod.
Yeah, the tripod.
A cheap one, but decent, good enough. You know, not for everyday use, but maybe on vacation you have it handy. You know, you want to get a shot.
There you go.
Okay, we charged the battery, and the light went green, so it's fully charged. We're now going to install the battery in the new G7X. It's on the bottom here. There's a little switch. And it opens right up. And the battery should go in like this. And snap right in. And then do we have a chip? We have to get a chip. Okay. Got a computer memory chip. Using the 16 gigabyte SanDisk. Okay, had it backwards. There we go. Snaps right in.
Yeah.
And then you just close this. There. It's done. Now, push this button right here to turn it on. The lens pops out.
Boo!
Here's RJ.
There it is. Then you can go into menu, and there's different settings you can do. It's tools. It's got a lot of stuff. You have to just kind of cycle through it. Looks nice. I like the colors. We did that red, green, red, yellow, green. Put together well. Focus in on the car.
You put RJ further.
You also have zoom.
Yeah.
RJ, I thought, leave it there. You can zoom in. Now we have, that's how you take the picture, right here.
Yeah.
Then you can turn it off. Goes right back in the last. You can hit this button here if you want to review pictures. We have no pictures on here yet. There's a Wi-Fi button over here. You can upload the pictures to your cell phone.
Or computer.
Or computer. Yeah, I haven't tried it yet. That's for the tripod.
I want you to turn it back on.
It is on. Okay. Turn it back
Picture,
on.
RJ.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
And there it is. So I can go over here to see the pictures.
There you go.
There's
The
RJ.
Yes.
little car.
That's about it. We'll let you know if we have any issues with it. So far, it's good.
Okay, that's it for today.
Bye bye.
See you next
No,
time.
because
Bye bye.
this thing.